Vietnam interest rates too good to be true. You cannot get any interest because you have foreign passports. But thereafter, nothing. The story has a twist. The couple raises hell. How to balance customer satisfaction with legal compliance. Fight for your rights. It's like a high-stakes game of Jenga. The unpredictability of the financial world. If you don't have the proper legal advice, you didn't have your Vietnamese citizenship. Your banking experience in Vietnam, share my opinion about the C Bank, Kafka-esque nightmare. So most of the time, it is great to have Vietnamese citizenship, especially when you want to stay here permanently, buy real estate, or open up local companies. But in this story today, we're gonna redefine what it means to have banking drama in Vietnam. It's not just about money, but it's actually about dual citizenship entanglement and a financial maze. This story has more twists than a Vietnamese street market. Imagine depositing a small fortune in the bank account, expecting juicy interest rates, and then to be told, sorry, your passport is too colorful for our taste. Having a foreign passport and a Vietnamese passport might get you into financial limbo if you don't know how to protect yourself. So in today's video, we're gonna drop a bombshell on a Vietnam passport drama and expose a local bank against dual passport holders. We will also discuss the saving account rules, business law, and also how to fully protect you as a foreign depositor in Vietnam banks and to avoid mistakes from making you lose money in Vietnam. So let's get started. Hello, my name is Ken Duong, international business immigration attorney with over 15 years of experience helping thousands of clients all over the world, from United States to Europe to Australia, Canada, and many other parts, to live, invest in Vietnam, including opening up bank accounts, hiring employees, and other business matters. The story begins with a local bank called C Bank, SEA Bank, and that is a very peculiar situation. So we start off with a married couple who are living in the city of Hải Phòng, an industrial park city in the north along with Hanoi. They deposit a whopping 900 million VND, which is about 37,000 US dollars into the C Bank. From there, the plot thickens. Are Vietnam interest rates too good to be true? This couple opened up 3 savings accounts, 1 for the husband and 2 for the wife. They were expecting a 7.7% interest rate for over 2 years. Does that sound too peachy? Wrong. Fast forward to 2021. The term matures, but the couple do not cash in. The bank, being a typical bank, automatically renews the terms for another 2 years. But here's the catch. In 2023, when the couple decides to finalize and close the account, including their interest, the bank says you cannot get any interest because you have foreign passports. So let's pause here and see that the husband, for the first 2 years until 2021, received his interest, but thereafter, nothing. And the wife, she received no interest during that entire 4 years. So with this couple, it does not tell us in the story what passport that they have, and along with the Vietnamese passport, but we can safely assume that they're most likely US citizens. Okay, so what happens next? The couple probably thought they were in a Kafka-esque nightmare, but the story has a twist. So the couple raises hell, as they should, and the transaction point heats up and the leadership of the bank gets involved. So they're all in a bind, asking how to balance customer satisfaction with legal compliance. And finally, there's a resolution. The bank pays up and the couple gets their interest. Wow, what a roller coaster. So let's not stop there. What lessons to be learned? First, never take no for an answer, and the couple did just that in order to fight for your rights. Secondly, it is a case of international banking in a foreign country. So the local banks are juggling between local laws, international customers, and their own policies. It's like a high-stakes game of Jenga. So I just want to pop in and share my opinion about the C Bank and the situation with the husband and wife. So I always want to say that you should really look at the fine print in your deposit contract, or in this case, the money or the interest earned. You should look at all the agreements very closely. You should talk to the banker very closely as well, and also fully understand the terms, conditions, and any restrictions that you may have, such as interest not being earned for foreigners, or if you don't have another passport. And it's probably best, you should probably advise with an attorney to know the terms and conditions, what you're getting into. And with the C Bank situation, the resolution was good. The actions were tough on the part of the husband and wife, but it's the right thing to do, and the bank did the right thing by giving them interest for the entire period. So I think it's very great. And with that said, we're gonna go back to our video. So this is really the unpredictability of the financial world. One day you're rolling in the interest, next day you're stopped, and then all of a sudden the interest rolls in again. That is something you're just gonna have to expect if you don't have the proper legal advice, knowledge, and guidance when you are banking internationally. But of course, having the Vietnamese passport and Vietnamese citizenship is always the best option, so that you can live Vietnam long term, you can open up bank accounts, and you can also form local companies as well. Many of these will give you competitive advantages in the Vietnam market that you would not have if you didn't have your Vietnamese citizenship. But if you're still unsure whether you want to get the Vietnamese citizenship or invest long-term in Vietnam, then you can click on the right-hand corner and watch our entire playlist called Investing in Vietnam. So as always, thank you very much for watching this video as we try to provide useful information to you. But make sure that you like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment below about your banking experience in Vietnam, and click on the bell for notifications. So on behalf of Duong Global, my name is Ken Duong. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.